Hey there, and welcome back. Today's least common multiple question comes from one of my awesome viewers. How do you use the ladder method to find the least common multiple for the numbers 8, 12, and 24? Great question. Let's get started. I'll start by choosing a factor that is shared between at least two of the three numbers. I'm going to choose 4. The next step is to divide each number inside the ladder by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 24 divided by 4 is 6. Looking at these three numbers, I see that 2 is a shared factor between the numbers 2 and 6. It's important to understand here that when you are choosing shared factors, they must be shared with at least two of the numbers inside of the ladder, not necessarily all of them. So I'll divide 2 by 2, which is 1. 2 does not divide into 3, so I just bring it down, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now here I see that 3 is another shared factor of these numbers. 3 does not divide into 1, so I just bring it down, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Since all I have left are 1s, I am done factoring. The last step is to just multiply all of the numbers outside of the ladder to get an LCM of 24. And that's it. You are done. I hope this was helpful. Keep those questions coming, and I'll see you in the next video.